2025. Okay, so ito po yung naging spread natin. This is our spread for today. Oh, it's a good one. Very fulfilling. Okay, so yung the first line was this is what my the emotions, or this is for my person. Okay, so yeah, 10 of Wands. The defensive, incompetent ideas without action, and gossip. Mm. Then lack of courage, jealous. Yeah. But in the end, if he would change his kasi laging lumalabas tong um, obsession with work. Okay, he's a bit stubborn, yet he's not doing his work. Okay, it's not the work that he should be doing. Okay, so if he would change again his mindset, again, if he would take some good advice, actually some advices are also within the spread. This is okay, this is my line message. Yeah, this is my line, and this is what's this again? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ito yung sa line ng spirit guides, advice nila yan sa atin. Kumbaga, ako to, and this is my person. Okay, this is his line. So, ang advice ng higher self sa'yo, for being frivolous, cunning, careless, yan, ideas without action, dahil nga na-stuck up ka dyan sa trip mo na yan, your higher self would advise you to take action on your ideas. Di ba? Gawin mo na lang, kumbaga. And then, this line, angel guides, ang sasabihin naman sa'yo, speak your mind to solve your problems. So, maghanap ka ng tao na masasabihan mo ng problema mo para magkaroon ka ng clarity and breakthrough ideas, logic power, like what like I na, kasi hindi ko nirecord kanina. Pero ako personally, ma-advise ko sa'yo, don't take advice from fools. Okay? So, seek guidance from a wise person. Okay? Kasi sa nakikita ko, like spread from yesterday, masyadong stubborn, and you are a bit immature. Okay? Let's accept that. Don't get hurt. Try seeking advice from the wise. Seek wisdom and from a more mature guidance. Okay, wag yung sa mga sarili mo lang or sa tropa mo na, ayan na may spider. Spy. Spider. And then again, sa linya ko naman, my higher self or my spirit guide, open your heart and receive the emotions around you. Diba yun din yung sinabi ko sa'yo? Actually, ako nag-o-offer lagi sa'yo ng emosyon. But you're not receiving that emotion. Okay? And the spider. Tarerererereret. Nagsawa na sila sa langaw. Spider naman. Oh, ha. Oh, ha. Hello po. Hey, ano naman yung pinaplano nyo? Ayun. Tapos, um, since you have lack of courage, avaricious, jealous, yeah. From here, I know you are jealous and yeah, obsession with work na There is, ay nako, ayoko nang magsalita, men. You know what it is. And you shouldn't be jealous, I think. Hindi mo kailangan magselos, okay? Obviously. And enjoy the results of, yun nga, just stick with me dahil hindi naman kita ipapahamak. And we are guided, see? If you would take these advice, man, if you will take this advice, napaka-unbiased nitong spread na to, man. And ang galing, galing, galing. They're giving us hope. Yan, makakuha mo yan. Yung Nine of Pentacles. You have accomplishment, inheritance, covetousness, self-care, reward, satisfaction, and luxury. All the things that you want, you can have it. Kaya kasama mo ko eh. Yun ang sinasabi sa'yo, di ba? Okay. And meron pang makulit dito eh. Sige. Tingnan mo makulit dito ha. Eto ako, di ba? Magkatabi. So, would you take that advice or no? Di ba? And ano pa? See. Yeah, just have strength, okay? Ito yung line ng spirit guides. Di ba? Have strength. You don't know your own strength until it is tested. Okay? Don't be afraid. Saan ba yun? Oh, di ba? Ito yung lack of courage. Ito, strength naman. And courage. Di ba? Huwag ka matakot, man. Inner power, oh, di ba? And nandito kasi, ako, si Queen of Wands. Yan. Di ba? Ako yung ang ina, di ba? Tunay. And then, your higher self, ito nga ikaw to. Ikaw si King of Swords, di ba? Kaya ito yung line mo. Ito yung line ng person ko. Yeah. So, lumabas sa Ace of Wands, take action on your ideas. Yan. Okay? Will to create energy, inspiration, creation. Alam mo, parang yan yung higher self mo eh. Kasi ikaw to eh. Ito yung linya mo. Higher self mo to. Na ikaw to ngayon. So, itong Ace of Wands, ang kapantay niya, Page of Swords, which is frivolous, cunning, careless. So, ayun nga. Diba? Tama, diba? Take, instead of yung mga, yan, without action. Take action, no? Yan yung advice ng higher self mo sa sarili mo ngayon. And, yeah, force, strength, gain. Right. Yung payo ng angel sa'yo, speak your mind. Okay. Sabi na pala natin yan. And, open your heart and receive. Okay. Yeah. Tapos, sunod naman ay temporary success, searching for riches, drifting withdrawal. O yun. Eight of Cups in reverse. So, medyo hindi maganda to kasi nga, dahil sa, ito, work ethics mo na ito. Nagiging impulsive ka sa emosyon mo. Kaya nga, ito, ang sabi ng payo ng angel sa'yo, ng spirit guides, don't let your emotions get in the way. Galing, di ba? Diba? Yan. Tapos ako, itong linya ko, yan. Ako to, totoo kasi, ako to. So, kumbaga sa linya ko, mamaya, tingnan natin. Everything you have worked for is coming together. Yan yung sa akin, linya ko to. So, yan ang sabi sa akin. Everything that you have worked for is coming together. So, means, tuloy-tuloy lang daw ako sa trip na to, sa ginagawa ko. And then, Ace of Cups, open your heart and receive the emotions around you. Okay. Kasi, yeah, of course, nagiging defensive din ako sa mga emosyon ko. I have to, di ba? And yeah, there's a new friendship, pleasure, and self-love. So, regalo yan sa akin ng ng universe at ng mga angel dahil nga sa ginagawa kong trabaho. Okay? Thank you, di ba? And the third one is this, yun nga. O, di ba? May ganyan din ako, hindi ko naman dinideny. Oh, na ganyan din ako. Pero yun nga, ang sabi ko nga, hindi porket may desire, may lust, may vanity, hindi ibig sabihin nun masama. Kailangan mo lang i-balance eh. Merong upright na ano dyan na counterpart. You can have all that and turn into something prosperous, productive. Wala namang masama yung desire eh. 'Di ba? It's something wishful. Lust, normal naman yan. But hindi ka mangungupal. Pwede kang maging malibog hanggang kaya mong sagarin, pero wala kang tinatapakang tao. 'Di ba? Hindi ka nagnanakaw ng enerhiya. Wala kang, nasa intention mo kasi yun eh. Naniniwala ako dun. And you don't do this for your own gain, 'di ba? And out of anger, hindi mo siya gagamitin panghigante sa tao. Kukunin mo lahat ng riches niya, yung enerhiya niya para sa'yo. Then, those are fuck up things. And I know bakit siya nasa linya ko. Kasi, alam kong kaya ko siyang i-turn into a good, um, yun nga, kaya kong ipaliwanag or i-justify itong mga ito na kaya na maganda siya sa akin. Okay? Temptation. Like, there are temptations, pero hindi ko siya sasakyan lagi. I-justify ko kung tama ba yung gagawin ko. Distraction. Maraming distraction, but also I have faith na may rason kung bakit nangyayari yon. And sometimes aware ako kung bakit siya nangyayari kasi nga may mga kupal din sa paligid, di ba? And disarray, I'm not sure of the word. Alamin natin yan. And then my and not my higher self, but this is me in the spread. So, tingnan mo yung magic dyan. Queen of Swords. Ang male counterpart ko is King of Swords, which is your line. Kitam. So, napaka-accurate niya, men. Napaka-accurate. Diba? Ang galing. Galing, 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 galing. Not accurate, men. Nakakatuwa. Let's see. Yan. Oh. Your clear communication express what's best for all. Oh. Nagtitiwala yung mga spirit guides natin. Hindi ako nagyayabang, men. I mean, it's maybe I have said that for assurance. Kasi alam kong hindi kayo trustful or meron kasing mga prideful dito sa collective natin na hindi nila iti-take yung advice sa akin kasi sa ego nila. But just, I said that not to be boastful or ano, but somehow assurance naman, di ba? So again, this is who you are, your life, who you are. Kumbaga yung sa work ethics mo nga, yung current state mo, this is your higher self. This is my line. And the angel, the spirit guides advice to us. Okay. Diba? Tap, tapos ito yung parang nahulog na card kanina. Or parang gusto ko sana mag-draw. Pagbalasa ko na ano siya na yun nga, humiwalay na siya. So, parang may something sa card na to. Hindi ko pa siya alam kung ano siya. Hindi ko pa siya binubuksan. And ito, either we pick top or bottom. Okay? So, anong unahin natin? Okay. Okay. So, ito muna. Tapos dito, bottom of the deck. Okay? Right. Who? Okay. It's a balance. What is this? Two of Cups. Okay. So, Two of Cups, imbalance, tension, folly, waste, dissipation, disunion, silly action, rejection, and separation. Okay. And tingnan natin ang bottom of the deck. Top or bottom? Bottom nga eh, di ba? Yeah. Okay. Bottom of the deck is Ten of Pentacles. Okay, legacy, inheritance, roots, security, family, prosperity, pinnacle of success. Kumbaga, ito yung pinaka nagsasum up sa buong reading natin. Ito, putang ina, ang ganda, di ba? Tang ina. Everything in fruition and wisdom from all stages of life. Legacy, inheritance, roots, security, family, prosperity. Yeah! Diba? Kahit anumang, man, this is it. Ito yung, kumbaga, final dito sa reading na to. Whoops, the devil in reverse. Ayan. Frustration, separation. Oh, sorry, the lovers pala. Pero ewan ko, hindi naman siya tinitingnan. But anyway, perhaps meron siyang gustong sabihin. Frustration, separation, failure to meet the test, avoidance of choice, or over-commitment. Okay. Naman natin yan ah. But anyway, this is good. And bakit kaya siya lumabas sa huli? Ito yung parang, ano siya eh, parang maybe joker card. Could be just a distraction. Kasi nga, sa aking discernment, aware ako na may mga kupal. May spider nga kanina eh, di ba? Aware ako na may kupal. So, pwedeng na-distract tayo at marami kasing ganyan eh, yung mga destructive na spirit talaga na pinapadala for us na lituhin talaga tayo. Okay? Pero hindi natin papatulan yun. Anyway, baliktad siya. Ewan ko ba't ko siya baliktad. Balance, choice, duality, yun na. Pero hanapan natin siya. Imbalance, tension, fully, yeah. Siguro, perhaps, ito, ngayon, ang current na parang judgment. Sa nakikita ko, ang 2 cups na to, tayo rin to. Diba? Pero nakabaliktad siya dito. Pwedeng part of panglito, ang tawag dito, pang dismaya. Yan. Pero totoo naman, tayo merong imbalance, di ba? Tayo merong tension. Meron, di ba? Tayo to eh. We are currently on a separation mode in this union. Di ba? Silly action, yeah. Kasi ano ka pa eh, tawag dito, hindi ka pa receptive. Yun siya. But, kung ang tunay na dapat ng posisyon is pa ganyan, ito yung magiging ending. Kung maniniwala ka, di ba? Open your heart and receive love from others. Balance, attraction, partnership, harmony, mirth, equality, balance, connection. So, yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo kahapon na surround yourself with good companionship. Seek advice, not from fools, but from a wiser guidance. Para hindi man ako, you seek someone na wise naman para meron ka namang tsansa or hope na magkaroon ka ng partner na pwede ka magkaroon ng partner na kabalanse mo. Di ba? Di ba? Why not? Ibig sabihin, ma-achieve mo siya kung gugustuhin mo. Pwede kang merong makasama, hindi ka lang nag-iisa. But then again, yung sabi ko nga sa'yo kahapon, kung masaya ka sa trip mo, but that's hopeless track again. Hindi ka ba na-excite dito? Anyway, tapos ito nga, the lovers. Ayan, tayo nga to. Ito yung, sorry, hindi ako biased, but this is a lovers in reverse. Frustration, separation, failure to meet the test. Oh, 'di ba? Avoidance of choice or over-commitment. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Yan. Napaka-immature mo kasi, sorry sa word. O kung ano man ang ginagawa mo, 'di ba? Nag-aano ka na lang, parang procrastinate ka, parang you're being stagnant. Hindi mo naman kailangan ayun, natatakot ka dyan sa ganyan, sa overcommitment na yan. Men, hindi tayo typical na tao, okay? Ako nga, nandyan, 'di ba, hindi kita iniiwan. It doesn't mean na relasyon, pwedeng makipagrelasyon sa iba, pero alam mo na yun eh. Alam mo na yun, huwag na natin lokohin yung sarili natin. Alam mo, yung ego mo lang yung pumapatay or pumipigil sa'yo para dito maabot mo tong higher self mo. That's why I believe, kaya nga di kita sinusukuan. I'm giving you your time to find yourself. Kasi promise ko sa'yo, tutulungan kitang hanapin yung sarili mo. Diba? Hanapin kita, yun. Yeah, yun lang. Kasi ano eh, ayaw mo hindi naman siya constraint eh. Maniwala ka lang sa advice ng kumbaga, I think it's about time. Diba? To have this. Ayan, yan. Diba? To the beat.